Hello everyone, I'm going to explain about data model inference in this video. The meaning is, it is a main process of discovering or creating a data model based on the analysis of data sources. A data model represents the structure, relationship, constraints, and operations of data in a database. Inference can involve deriving an understanding of the data structure, such as tables, attributes, relationships, keys, and constraints, often in cases where the data schema isn't explicitly defined. There are some key steps to be followed in constructing or designing or defining data model inference. The first key step is to collect data, which is called as data collection. Then it has to be profiled, which is namely known as data profiling, and to discover schema is called schema discovery, and relationship inference, normalization, constraint identification, and the final one is iterative refinement. So these are all the various steps involved in data model inference. The first one, it is important to gather data from various sources such as databases, CSV files, APIs, other repositories, etc. It is important to analyze the data to understand its characteristics. Then it is important to identify tables, columns, and other relationship within the data. This involves finding key potentials, foreign keys, and other constraints that describe how different pieces of data relate to each other. Then it is helpful for examining the data to detect relationships such as one-on-one, one-to-many, or to many-to-many. This can involve analyzing column patterns, data overlap, and statistical correlations. Then the next step is normalization. In this step, it is essential to suggest and apply normalization rules to minimize data redundancy and improve the data integrity. This involves organizations data into tables and defining relationship between them to optimize the structure. Then the next one is constraint identification. Determine the various constraints to enforce data integrity. Then the seventh one is interactive refreshment. In this stage, we all may require iteration and refinement. So these are all the key steps. Now we are going to learn about the examples of each model inference one by one. The first model inference is called data integration in business intelligence system. A company collects data from multiple departments like sales, marketing, finance, and inventory, but stored in different formats such as CSV files, Excels, NoSQL, database, etc. These data sets need to be integrated into a unified BE system for analyzing and reporting. Then the second example is called legacy database migration. A organization uses an outdated legacy database system with minimal documentation, and it plans to migrate to a modern relational database or a cloud data warehouse. The third one is data governance and compliance. Here, a healthcare provider must ensure that the patient data complies with regulations like data stored across different formats, making it challenging to understand its structure. Then the fifth example is data lake organization. A company stores vast amount of structured and unstructured data in a data lake without predefined schemas. Analysts need to query and analyze in this data efficiently. So these are all the various examples. Let's move on to the next one. E-commerce product catalog management. Here, e-commerce platform aggregates product information from multiple suppliers, with each providing data in different formats. It can even its data as HTML, XML, JSON to create a unified product catalog. The company must identify and merge common data elements like product names, categories, price, and descriptions, etc. Then the next one is customer data platform integration. A marketing team wants to build a customer data platform to create a single view of customers using data from multiple sources, including website analysis, CRM, and transaction databases. Application data model inference can analyze each data source to identify key attributes, example customer ID, email address, purchase history, and relationship. It might detect that customer email in the website analytics can be linked to email address field in CRM data, facilitating a unified customer profile. So these are all the various data model inference, which is a crucial process which provides foundation understanding of data structures and relationship for facilitating various data driven tasks in real world applications. Thank you.